Hello, this is Mike,
Hi, this is Ashley.
and once again, we just unpacked one video card, and which is
That is the Aorus GeForce GTX 1660. Super.
okay. So I chose this specific video card is because that's the budget.
Budget-friendly video card. So just a little history of it. It's a budget friendly video card that, and what else? Uh, what else do you like aside from it's budget friendly?
Well, aside from that, the range of this one is it marks with around 10K to 20K PHP. If you go higher, that would be around 20 to 30. That would be the 20 series or the 3000 series. So, masyado na mahal yun para sa amin.
So basically, because of its features and its price, that's why we decided to purchase this Aorus Force 1660 GTX. Pero I was thinking that this video is supposedly how to cut your hands while doing an unboxing, because I accidentally cut my hand and I have another cut, and that's it. But so going back to this.
Okay, so earlier we have shown you what are the contents on the box, and such as this one, it also has one sticker logo of Aorus. Also, it has the
Certificate? Is it a certificate
actually it's
or
quick guide, also the registration
warranty?
or the warranty, and lastly the driver installer. Okay, so next we might as well look further on the
box?
on the video card.
On the video card.
Okay, so it's very long,
Is it heavy?
a bit. I'm not sure if it can hold just by hanging, if you put it on the motherboard. So as you can see, it has an 8-pin power connector, and then what else? For the inputs or outputs, but most likely inputs, we have
Is there a word like inputs? Or just input?
okay. Oh,
I'm just asking. I don't know really. What's that?
what are these? What kind of inputs are these? We have one HDMI port,
And
it says here DP.
DP? DP port? So what's a DP port? You don't know?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh my. Looks like I'll be having trouble connecting this to the PC.
DP port. It says display port.
Yeah. I don't have a cable for this one.
So we need to buy another cable. Ah. Duh. So-
Okay, I haven't checked the spec sheet
And
for
then,
the inputs.
What else? What else that you have in here? I know that one. I know it's a fan. And that's a fan, of course. It's 3 fans. And it has heat sink at the bottom.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. That's-
Very big heat sink.
Yeah.
I mean, let's try to.
Oh, that's expensive. So,
So,
the heat sink.
Heat sinks are here. There we go. Okay, so this is the backplate. I'm not sure. This is the first time that I'll be having this big,
Video card. Is it
this
a video card?
yeah,
It is, right?
yeah, this big video card. So it has this. I mean, others buy a backplate for the design or I mean to customize the backplate. Also,
Oh,
I
the one that you've seen earlier, the one with HDMI and DP. It says it's an output.
okay.
It's not an input. And I think, yeah, it's an output.
Okay, so I'm not sure yet which one's gonna light up here. There should be an
I think
LED.
it's this.
So
And
if
then
you
this.
turn it like this, because you this is how it's inserted. So I hope this one will light up. This one will also light.
And then this one. No, I don't know.
This one I hope will light up.
I have no
Then
idea.
this one also will light up, hopefully. And I'm not sure if there is something that will light up here.
I don't think so.
I don't know for this line here. It's a bit transparent.
LED-ish feels.
Hopefully.
Okay. So, ganyan lang siya. That's how it would look like if you buy this GeForce. Is it GeForce or GeForce? Because I usually put it or literally GeForce. Is it GeForce?
Well, I pronounce it with GeForce, but if anyone knows what's the correct pronunciation, let us know on the comments.
Okay lang yan. At least nagkakaintindihan tayo. So wala, we don't really we don't have a chance to test this out like right now kasi the purpose of this video is just for you to see kung ano yung itsura niya if ever that you are going to buy it on your own. So
And
just the look and the feels, well, technically the look. But of course we will put in the specification. You are pretty much familiar maybe, but we'll still put it in on the description.
okay.
Yeah, he will put it in the description. And look at this. Is this the motto of Aorus? Team up, fight on. Not sure, pero siguro yun yung motto niya. Motto, parang saan lang. Favorite motto ko yung walang kuskus balus. Pero hindi siya for gaming. So this is the box.
Okay.
Yeah, yun lang siya. So, ewan ko kung nakikita. Nakikita ba? Yun.
So, I guess that's all for now. If you're interested with the product, you can check the description. Also, we will put our latest reviews regarding the product on the description.
Yeah, because we will definitely use this one. That's the reason why you're buying things, for you to use it. So we'll give an update about whatever it is that it would do to our computer. Because so far, do we have a video card? Yeah, we do, right? We do have a video card.
Yeah.
But it's luma na siya. So it
It
still works.
lags if we stream.
Yeah, it lags because a video has this, ang tawag mo doon, marami siyang pre-requirements para magkaroon ng magandang streaming. So yun lang.
Well, on our current video card, the 750 Ti, you can play games such as Genshin Impact. But if you stream out as you play Genshin Impact,
Hindi niya kaya. I mean,
that's where
kaya
the
niya,
lag.
pero medyo naglalag siya, no?
I mean, it's not lagging on the game, but it's lagging on the stream. It goes up
Magdadrop
to
din yung
100%
niya.
GPU utilization. So that's why
Gamit na gamit siya, no? So, yun lang. Yun lang yung reason lang. Pero we could play. Actually, we're playing Blade and Soul in PC, di ba? And it works fine. When you play in 20 gig pa Well, almost.
Well, we haven't played the high-end games or the current high-end games such as like
Meron siyang PPI, ganun. PPI ba? PPI ba yung term mo dun?
what's that?
Is that a PPI? Or, and then, mali yata yung nasa isip ko. When you play games, and then meron siyang mini-measure niya yung kung maglalag siya or hindi.
The FPS counter.
Okay, FPS pala yun. But PPI ang nasa isip ko. So, yun lang siya. So, ano yung PPI? So, that's it, guys. It's really just for you to see the look. And it has 3 fans, mini fans. And it has, what's that again? Don't forget that. Kasi, I like this the most. Especially the design. Parang feeling ko Porsche.
Yan yung habol namin, hindi yung video card.
Hindi yung video card. Talagang yung habol namin. So, well, you understand, I'm a girl and I'm not really into techie things. Medyo lang. Pero, I'm a noob. I'm a noob. So, yun lang, guys. So, thank you so much for watching. Or anything else that you want to add?
That's it for me.
So, that's it for me as well. Don't cut your hands, okay? Be careful. Always be careful. Buti lang yung sa akin maliit. So, anyway, bye-bye, guys.
Alright, bye-bye.